Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we are discussing a topic that has gained a lot of attention in recent years, life and ethics in an era of genetics. As many of you may know, advances in genetics have opened up new possibilities for understanding and manipulating the human genome. From gene editing to genetic testing, these technologies have the potential to revolutionize medicine and improve the quality of life for individuals around the world. For example, gene editing has the potential to cure genetic diseases and disorders, and genetic testing can help individuals understand their risk for certain conditions and take preventative measures. Gene editing is a technique that allows scientists to make precise changes to an individual's DNA. One of the most well-known examples of gene editing is CRISPR-Cas9, which uses a special enzyme to cut out specific parts of DNA and replace them with new sequences. This technique has the potential to be used in a variety of applications, including the treatment of genetic diseases, the enhancement of certain traits or characteristics, and even the prevention of certain diseases or conditions. However, these advances also raise complex ethical questions. For example, what are the implications of genetically engineering embryos? Is it acceptable to use gene editing to enhance certain traits or characteristics in individuals? How do we ensure that genetic information is used responsibly and ethically in the healthcare system? And what are the potential consequences of genetic discrimination? These are just a few of the questions that need to be considered as we navigate this new era of genetics. It's important to remember that genetics is a complex and rapidly evolving field, and there is still much that we don't understand. In addition, the potential applications of genetic technologies are vast and varied, and it can be difficult to anticipate all of the potential consequences of these technologies. That being said, there are some key principles that can guide our thinking on these issues. First and foremost, it's important to respect the dignity and autonomy of individuals. This means that decisions related to genetics should be made by individuals themselves, rather than being imposed on them by others. In addition, it's important to ensure that individuals have access to accurate and reliable information about genetics and its potential implications, so that they can make informed decisions. In addition, we must consider the potential consequences of our actions, both for individuals and for society as a whole. This includes ensuring that genetic technologies are used in a way that is fair and equitable, and that they do not perpetuate or exacerbate existing inequalities. It's also important to consider the potential long-term effects of genetic technologies, both on individuals and on future generations. There are also important legal and regulatory considerations related to genetics. For example, many countries have laws in place to prohibit the use of gene editing on embryos, while others have more permissive regulations. It's important to consider the role of laws and regulations in ensuring that genetic technologies are used responsibly and ethically. Finally, it's important to recognize that ethics is not a static field, and that our understanding of what is right and wrong will continue to evolve as we learn more about genetics and its potential applications. This means that we must be open to considering new perspectives and engaging in ongoing dialogue about the ethical implications of genetics. We hope you found this video helpful, and encourage you to continue the conversation by leaving a comment or sharing this video with your friends and family. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check back for more videos on life and ethics in an era of genetics.